Welcome to today's talk on the top 6 foods that can improve your vision naturally. As we age, our eyes need nutrition to maintain their optimal health, which in turn can improve our vision. Here are the top 6 foods. 1. Eating fish. Fish, especially those rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as salmon, tuna, and sardines, are excellent for your eyes. They help in maintaining the health of your macula, the area in your eye responsible for central vision. 2. Bananas. Bananas are rich in vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy eyesight. A single banana contains enough vitamin A to meet daily requirements, helping to protect your eyes from damage. 3. Avocado. Avocados are another great source of vitamin A, as well as vitamin C, potassium, and magnesium. These nutrients play a crucial role in maintaining healthy eyesight and preventing vision problems. 4. Green tea. Green tea is a rich source of antioxidants, especially catechins. These antioxidants help protect your eyes from damage caused by free radicals and may improve your overall vision. 5. Zucchini. Zucchini is a great source of vitamin A and vitamin C, which are essential for maintaining healthy eyesight. It also contains vitamin E, which is another antioxidant that helps protect the eyes from damage. 6. Blueberries. Blueberries are an excellent source of vitamin C, which is essential for maintaining healthy eyesight. They also contain antioxidants that help protect the eyes from damage and may improve overall vision. In conclusion, incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your diet can help improve your vision naturally. Make sure to include fish, bananas, avocados, green tea, zucchini, and blueberries in your meal plans to support your eye health.